This is the structure of antibody. What do you mean by antibody? Antibody, it means collectively known as immunoglobulin or Ig. It represents as Ig. And what is antigen? Antigen, it means immunogens. These are the substance which when enter the body stimulate the production of antibody. Antibody कब बनेगी? जब antigen enter करेंगे. Antigen is known as immunogens and antibody is known as immunoglobulin. This is the class of protein. These are the antibodies produced in response to antigen stimulation. Each antibody molecule has 4 polypeptide chain. This one is the heavy and this one is the light chain. And this indicates 4 polypeptide chain, 2 small chain are called light chain and 2 जो large chains होंगी वो कहलाएंगी heavy chain. It indicates H2L2. And antibody is represented as H2LT. In our body, different types of antibodies are produced in, such as IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE and IgD. And both these heavy chains or light chains are joined or attached with, or these heavy chains are disulfide bond, held together by disulfide bridges and the other covalent bond also. That's why it forms Y-shaped structure. The lower portion of the branch and the stem of the Y constitute the constant region. This one is the C region. This is known as constant region, whereas the upper tip of the branches forms the variable region. This one is the variable region of heavy chain and this one is the variable region of light chain. And this variable region is also form polypeptide chain, and this forms made up of polypeptide chain, and it forms polypeptide chain folds to form the antigen binding site. See here, fold like a structure is there. That's why it is a site to bind antigen and that are specific to antigen. वो हर antigen के लिए specific folds होंगे. And antigen binds to more than one type of antibody as it has more than one type of antigenic determinant sites. Okay, it means binding site on its surface. There are different types of antibodies. First one is the IgG, second one is the IgA, IgM, IgE and IgD. What is the function of IgG? It is the most prevalent class of antibody, constitutes 75 to 85% of, or 80 to 85% of the total antibody. It protects against fungal, bacterial, toxins, etc. It can cross placenta from mother to child and provide immune protection to newborn. And it also responsible for Rh factor in blood. IgG, what is the function of IgG? It is the second most prevalent antibody. It is about 15% of the total antibody. जो पहली वाली थी जो IgG थी वो ग्रेट, यानी ग्रेट याद रखने के लिए ग्रेट कर लेना, सबसे ज़्यादा जो है IgG है 75 to 80%. IgA जो है 15% हो गए. इट ऑल्सो secreted through part lined by mucous system, found in secretion from nose, eyes, lungs and digestive tract, saliva, tears, etc. It also found in colostrum. Breastfeeding, this is important. It is colostrum. It means breast milk for newborn baby immune response, immune protection. IgM, this is the third most common antibody, 5 to 10% of total antibody, and first to be produced in response to the encounters with pathogen, responsible for blood transfusion reaction in ABO blood group system. Okay, and IgE, this is the least common antibody and it makes about 0.002% of the total antibody, and it involves in the allergic reaction. And last one is the IgD. Their function is not well understanding yet. Okay.